Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the two clone Balisong, which is Kraken V3 and the Squid EL. I'm going to start with the Kraken. So this is the Kraken V3 clone from Titus. So first of all, I want to talk about the design. It's glossy handle and made out of the 7075 aluminum. It looks very nice and have a lot of color. I picked the red, black. It's look sick for me, and it run with the bushing system. It's feeling very nice. I do flip it a lot, and I think this is one of the best Balisong clone I ever had. And also this had the good tolerances, which is no tap and minimum play. The sound very nice, as you can hear. It's not too good and it's not too bad either. For the price is $12. I can do many tricks and enjoy flipping, even if I can't afford the original, but at least I know how the Kraken feel. It's no tap, and I'm not recommend you to buy the clone. If you can afford the original, go for it. Alright, back to the review. So I also do compare this with the Bali Plus Kraken Bowie. The design is the same, glossy handle, and it looks similar, but I love to flip the Titus Kraken. Alright, that's it for the Kraken. So let's move on to the Squid EL. This is the Squid EL clone from the Bali Plus, and it have a lot of color, which is white, black, and blue color. And also this had a lot of the screw color, and you have to buy it separate. And I got this for $23. And this is made out of the 6061 aluminum, run with the washer system. And the tolerances is very nice. As I upload a video of this, I flip it without the one screw. It's still no tap and no place. It's so weird. And for me, sound is not too bad. It's acceptable for this clone, but I'm not really enjoy flip this because it does so weird for me. Do I recommend you guys to buy this? No, because some websites sell this for more than $40. So just get the original one. I buy clones because I can't afford them, and if I get the original one, I mean I can get the clone like 4 to 5 Balisong. It's just for me, in my opinion. Alright, so I think that's it for this review. So what do you guys think of these two clones? Let me know in the comment down below. I will read and reply everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the close-up.